What you
What do you mean my friend Jimmy for them how?
What
Do you mean that me see that?
Abusuya dom na abusuya boni yantetew yankyerɛ wo hwe.
Ah me na me ka say yana.
Won deserve impo say monye oba so dem oji sekun.
Oh no. What are the advantages of washing a woman's pant?
When a pant is dirty and you wash, it makes you a human being.
Hey. Thank you.
And if you don't, it makes you an animal?
Not just an animal.
Well, my responsibilities will fear in the typical home settings. Are you there?
He's a pace setter.
Good.
He's a leader.
Yes.
And every leader must repeat what you know how to do before.
Thank you.
That is how you correct people.
Nah, so let the men cook and let the women sleep there.
We didn't say the men should cook. If a man knows how to cook, it is easier to teach your wife.
But cooking also is setting a leadership example.
And I'm saying
for your children to follow.
Cook. You tell me your tastiest food on earth and you don't know how to cook it. And you are coming from your mother's house. Are you serious?
Why the guy is a minimum doing it? Me myself now okay.
But who am I talking to? You want to record that?
Maybe if you don't know I am down.
Quote this scripture.
Then couldn't fry.
Or see now.
Now say Bible.
Leviticus.
Are you serious?
Why am I not serious?
Hey!
Come on.
Now, Councillor H0t.
Yes.
Hey, I said,
oh, dear wouldn't him now wouldn't him.
Oh,
in the dispensation of the law, there were so many things that were paid in crime. When the curtains and the holies of holies was divided, we had access to him. That things that you talk, they were rituals, came to an end. And Jobabu Ninsa, Otimi Jina Popit so, a bompaye, a friend Yankopon, a shida because Abosun sumning a mesun yape. So there's no way that menstruation is filthy. Men can't was a me case or baby. Yes, you a boni or you boni. She menstruates while she's ovulating. So the only way the husband can impregnate her is to have sex during menstruation. And to wada. Yen fawa ubu nsada na ye fawa ba ko ubu sanka na ka say what so news wo ho
come pa
money bia ni ho there are medical advantages. There are medical advantages in penetrating a woman who is menstruating. You see, don't let them tell you say bonny let it go in can ye.
That's it. Ochami.
And I'm so kind of
Leviticus 15.
Reader. Okay.
When a woman has a regular flow of blood.
From where?
Chapter 1 verse 15.
Chapter 1 verse 15. You are not reading Bible. Can you read?
Is this Quran?
You are reading Leviticus chapter 1. Can we know the preceding issue before they told them that when you're menstruating, don't come closer? You're not talking to a schoolboy. You're not talking.
Then we'll go into import. I said something. When a woman has her regular flow of blood,
reading verse 15. Can you
the impurity of her monthly period will last 7 days.
Yeah.
And anyone who touches her will be unclean till evening.
So
anything she lies on during her period will be unclean, and anything she sits on will be unclean.
Then they have brought people here you have interviewed. They were unclean, but you gave them seats.
Sir,
you gave people lift in your car, they were unclean.
It doesn't make them unclean.
So at the end of the day,
so let me
immediately you are menstruating, you are disassociated from beings. Yes, you are and you on Beffie, and you are so bad about Mossy. I
know Yami case, and
the American say, what
finalize it, let's go.
What contaminating?
Men contaminating she.
Yana you hear time on menstruating, now woman you're quatenting. A drop being as you obey a children. Wouldn't me yet. Quad you 4 Bema.
Coffee or Chiame, the master driver.
Inti asema atu a we can Ghana sofu. Your friend emu 10 krana 9 will agree with what you're saying. I didn't know can busu semsa. Asam na wo kana ya busu sem.
No. Mukase nyamesum ya bosumsum.
Yeah. Na
nyamesum. Oh. Abosumsum ni nyamesum nyape. And so I said, the Abosum 4 years now, they took Yamsum.
And you know, Leviticus, they are describing a fetish practice.
I told you to read the preceding verses, and you understand who they were referring to. In the dispensation of the law, we are in the dispensation of the grace.
Councillor H0t, you know, and billionaire be on so ewo Africa ha eso de be pem so say ane e madros si de eye na wansi dress na wansi madros onye real man na say obema yo no indimu nti se wo pese obema yo no edimu a e wo say usi e madros sana billionaire yi eso eka we na akoye say social media nkofo bebre comment say ebi say masa H0t lege say osi oba dress and ebi say on no ba na na unsi ne dross na also wadwen kire saying Fabra Poleeno Multimedia. Subscribe to channel na say be anytime be able drop video bia no obenya ni straight na also hu de ekoso e wo Ghana ene Africa ene wiase mbatamu nyina kire wadwen e wo comment section no subscribe na take bell notification no ko Instagram Poleeno_com Poleeno_com e wo Instagram so ne follow ye na we so ensi ho a emano so ede omono atum because e baasa no omoso e was omo kire omadwen because social media ay gidigidi pa na ohwe abaya ya we say ono de se oye bema na se wensi no drosa na chese ompe no on de ose na watwe bia se wensi no drosa na chese ompe no no de enye se bia once wa no obesi ba ku bio na watwe bia we se osi droso because droso no mo na mo ro nti mo ro sa na mo suasi nti sa no pese o kire nti boys ene papafo ene nkokorafo nyina no e wo se ye start na isi dross ye nsi bi da ye start na isi hi Poleeno Multimedia forget me what etoda na de bi ayagro e ya de sua de o so kire wadwen se wo form so subscribe to the channel no like I said no neko Instagram Poleeno_com ne follow ye se na be anytime we post any video bia no obenya straight me de mbesia makram